This is one of the historic day because Xavier's philosophy and the mission is to help and alleviate any suffering in healthcare. We want to provide public-private partnership and the training for the people. One of the things we noticed all over the world, elder care is a challenge, and the growing population, 1 in 6 by 2030 is going to be elder people. And we also noticed in Aruba, this is going to be the same situation, and we anticipate at least 10,000 plus elder people need the support and the guidance and the help in their elderly years. So Xavier, our team, Dr. Dubey, Kevin Pollock, and Dr. Bani and all come together, put together a plan where we want to help train people to facilitate such elderly people for locals, whether rich, poor, or no money, or the visiting guests here. This is going to be a challenge for the manpower, and we are preparing such people to be trained properly and give them a good end of life or the suffering, minimize the suffering, and work with all elder care facilities in Aruba in conjunction with outreach program from Xavier. We want to support, train existing people who are already taking care, and we want to train more people to facilitate and also create a job creation for people who are looking for such jobs. And also we are in discussion with ministry to support financially any of the investments need to be made, such people to be taken care in elder care facilities in Aruba. I request my trustee Frank to join me. Maybe he can tell in brief in Papiamento. And also we are going to make this as a research and innovative facility to provide all the people who want to use this facility. Thank you, and bring the community awareness to the people also. We are going to reach out to all the elder care facilities with our team, qualified people, to help them to understand how to take care of these elder people.